Let's talk about that pile of unlisted inventory sitting in your room. Sourcing is the fun part, but manually typing out titles, researching prices, and filling in item specifics, that's what slows us all down. Let me show you how to clear that pile using nothing but the photos on your phone. Inside EasyChannel, click New Product and select Images to Products. Instead of typing, you just drag and drop your raw photos right into the image drop zone. Here, I'm uploading photos for two completely different pairs of Jordans at the same time. Just select the photos that go together and group them. Before you hit create, look at these two toggles. When you check AI title and description, the system will automatically write an SEO-optimized listing packed with the right keywords to help you rank higher in search. And when you check AI price, it actually analyzes the current market and recent sales data to give you a highly competitive price automatically. Hit create. The AI isn't just uploading files, it's actively reading your images to build complete, ready-to-sell listings. Let's open up the draft it just built for the white Jordans. I didn't type a single word for this, but look at the general details. We have a highly searchable optimized title. The price is already set based on market comps. Scroll down and it wrote a fully formatted product description designed to convert buyers. It even estimated the package dimensions and weight for your shipping labels. But here is where you really get your time back. Click into the custom attributes type. Just by analyzing the photos and reading the size tag inside the shoe, the AI knew this was a unisex kids size 5.5, a retro Air Jordan, and a high top sneaker. It automatically filled out all those tedious item specifics that normally take forever. You don't have to spend your weekends doing data entry anymore. Turn your photos into live listings in seconds. Click the link in the description to try EasyChannel for free today.